This massive sheet of plastic is called a silage tarp, and today we're going to be learning how to use one of these on a farm to start a new garden bed. A silage tarp has two different sides that serve two different functions. When the black side is up, it absorbs a lot of heat from the sun, breaking down plant matter more quickly. When the white side is face up, it reflects sunlight, allowing for lower temperatures beneath the tarp. This is great for germinating seeds. I've been letting this plot of grass and weeds grow for the past month, and it's already over 6 feet tall. My original idea was to turn all of this into fertilizer by covering it with a tarp and blocking it from the sunlight. But I may have waited a little bit too long. Although it's possible to turn any organic matter into fertilizer using a silage tarp, the larger and more fibrous your nutrient source is, the longer it'll take to break down. You should weigh down the edges with something heavy so that your tarp doesn't fly away. We place this tarp black side up so that the sunlight can help cook the weeds beneath it. During the summer months, the silage tarp warms up extremely quickly and can get kind of dangerous to handle with your bare hands. This heat is incredibly fast at killing weeds when the tarp is totally pressed against the ground. If you have air gaps between the plant matter and the tarp, it won't work as effectively. And if the edges of your tarp aren't completely weighed down, you're always going to have air blowing under there. Areas with really tall grass like this will take months to decompose. We could have mowed the grass before putting on the silage tarp, but mowing is hard work. I think I've got a simple way to help this break down a little bit faster. Right around here, I learned that my bright idea might not have been the smartest after all. This isn't as fun as it looks. After all that rolling, the tarp was looking pretty good. Now that it's all laid out, we just have to hope that it doesn't rain. A huge rainstorm after laying down your silage tarp increases the amount of work you have to do. Pooling water from the rain leads to a lot of compaction and stretching, which weakens your tarp and allows some of the more virulent weeds to grow right through it, unless you've pre-dug drainage ditches. or have a slight grade to your land, you'll need to manually remove all the water from your tarp. Let's take a look at how things are breaking down under there. This guy's looking pretty healthy. Within just a day, he used the counterweight of the water pooling on the silage tarp to grow right through it.